Welcome to Chapter 2, Personality. In this video, I will provide you with an overview of personality research in organizational behavior. Personality is a fundamental concept in the study of individual behavior within organizations. The study of personality helps to understand why individuals behave differently in similar situations and how these behaviors impact organizational effectiveness. Personality can be defined as an individual's characteristics pattern of thought, emotion, and behavior together with the psychological mechanisms behind these patterns. These characteristics are relatively stable over time and consistent across different situations, although they can be influenced by environmental factors and experiences. The study of personality has a rich history, with various theories contributing to our understanding of what personality is and how it develops. Early theories such as Sigmund Freud emphasized the role of unconscious processes and childhood experiences in shaping personality. Freud's psychoanalytic theory suggested that personality comprises three structures: the id, ego, and superego, which interact to influence behavior. In contrast, behaviorist theorists like Skinner focus on observable behavior and the role of the environment in shaping personality. Skinner argued that personality is a result of learned behaviors reinforced over time through interaction with the environment. Humanist psychologists, including Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, emphasized personal growth and self-actualization. They propose that personality development is driven by the individual's innate desire to achieve their full potential. This perspective introduced the concept of self-concept as a central component of personality. One of the most influential approaches to understanding personality is trait theory, which focuses on identifying and measuring individual personality characteristics. Trait theorists argue that personality traits are relatively stable over time and across situations. These traits can be used to predict behavior and are often categorized into broader dimensions. The most widely accepted model of personality traits is the five-factor model, also known as the Big Five. This model identifies five broad dimensions of personality: openness to experience, consciousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Research supports the validity and reliability of the five-factor model in various cultural contexts and its predictive power regarding job performance, job satisfaction, and other organizational outcomes. Personality assessment have become an integral part of modern organizational practices, particularly in recruitment, selection, training, and development. These assessments help organizations understand the personality traits of their employees, predict job performance, enhance team dynamics, and foster effective leadership. Understanding personality helps in various HR functions, including selection, training, and development. Several personality assessments are widely used in organizational settings, each with its theoretical foundation and practical applications. The most common assessments include the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, the Horgan Personality Inventory, and the Big Five Inventory. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator categorizes individuals into 16 personality types based on four dichotomies: extraversion, introversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, and judging, perceiving. Although the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator is popular in organizational settings for team building and leadership development, it has been criticized for its lack of predictive validity and reliability. The Horgan Personality Inventory is designed to assess the bright side of personality traits that are relevant to job performance. It includes 7 primary scales: adjustment, ambition, sociability, interpersonal sensitivity, prudence, inquisitiveness, and a learning approach. The Forgan personality inventory is widely used in selection and development contexts due to its strong empirical support and focus on job-relevant traits. The Big Five inventory is based on the five-factor model of personality, which includes the dimensions of openness to experience, consciousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. This assessment is considered highly reliable and valid for predicting job performance across various roles and industries. The NEO-PIR, based on the five-factor model, provides a comprehensive assessment of the Big Five personality and their facets. It is widely regarded as a reliable and valid measure of personality, useful for both research and practical applications. Personality traits significantly influence various aspects of organizational behavior, including leadership, team dynamics, and job performance. For instance, extroverted individuals are more likely to emerge as leaders and perform well in roles requiring social interaction. Conscientious employees tend to exhibit higher levels of job performance and organizational commitment, making them valuable assets to any organization. Moreover, understanding the personality composition of teams can help in predicting team performance and cohesion. Teams with diverse personality traits can leverage their differences to enhance creativity and problem solving, though they may also face challenges in achieving consensus and maintaining harmony. There are various fields of human resource management where we can apply personality assessments to improve the organizational effectiveness. Recruitment and selection. Personality assessments are commonly used in the recruitment and selection process to identify candidates who possess traits that align with the job requirements and organizational culture. For example, roles that require high attention to detail and reliability may prioritize candidates with high conscientiousness. Similarly, positions that involve frequent social interaction may seek candidates with high extraversion. Research has shown that incorporating personality assessment into the selection process can improve the prediction of job performance and reduce turnover rates. For instance, a meta-analysis by Salgado found that personality traits, particularly conscientiousness and emotional stability, were significant predictors of job performance across various occupations in European organizations. Training and development. Understanding employees' personality traits can inform personalized development plans that leverage their strengths and address areas for improvement. For instance, training programs can be tailored to enhance emotional stability and resilience in highly neurotic individuals. Additionally, personality assessment can identify employees with high potential for leadership roles, guiding the development of future leaders. Team building. Assessing the personality composition of teams can help create balanced and effective groups. A mix of traits such as high openness and agreeableness can foster creativity and collaboration, while ensuring that the team is also conscientious and emotionally stable. Understanding team members' personality traits can improve communication, reduce conflict, and enhance overall team performance. Leadership development. Personality assessments can play a crucial role in leadership development by identifying traits that contribute to effective leadership. For example, transformational leaders often exhibit high levels of extraversion, conscientiousness, and openness to experience. By assessing these traits, organizations can tailor leadership development programs to enhance these qualities and improve leadership effectiveness. We can summarize the benefits of personality assessment to organizations as the following. Improved job performance. By matching candidates' personality traits with job requirements, organizations can enhance job performance and reduce turnover. Enhance self-awareness. Personality assessment help individuals gain insights into their strengths and areas for development, promoting personal growth and professional development. Better team dynamics. Understanding team members' personality traits can improve communication, reduce conflict, and foster a collaborative work environment. Effective leadership development. Identifying key personality traits associated with effective leadership can guide the development of future leaders. Despite their benefits, personality assessment also presents challenges. Validity and reliability. Not all personality assessments are equally reliable or valid. For example, the MBTI has been criticized for its lack of predictive validity. Potential for bias. Cultural and contextual factors can influence the results of personality assessments, potentially leading to biased outcomes. Privacy concerns. Employees may have concerns about the use of personality assessments and the potential misuse of their personal information. Personality is a complex and multi-dimensional construct that plays a critical role in shaping individual behavior within organizations. By understanding and assessing personality, organizations can make more informed decisions in selection, development, and team composition, ultimately enhancing organizational effectiveness. By leveraging insights from personality assessments, organizations can improve job performance, foster effective leadership, and create cohesive teams. However, it is essential to consider the validity, reliability, and potential biases of these assessments to ensure their effective and ethical use.